Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Learn with DevOps Engineer. If you are new here, my name is Arbaz and I'm a senior DevOps engineer with over 12 years of experience designing and operating cloud infrastructure, CI/CD pipelines, automation, security, and handling large-scale production systems. On this channel, I don't just teach tools. I teach the engineering principles behind them because tools change, but the fundamentals stay with you throughout your career. Today's video is completely different. Over the last year, we built a community around learning real production engineering. We covered so many different topics, for example, Linux, networking, shell scripting, DevSecOps, AI for DevOps, CI/CD, production troubleshooting, and much more. But that's only the beginning. Today, I'm going to show you everything we have accomplished together, reveal the roadmap for the next year, and share a vision that I believe can make this one of the best places on YouTube to learn Kubernetes and cloud native engineering through real production grade projects. And if you are someone working in the Kubernetes CNCF or cloud native ecosystem, stay until the end. I have an announcement about a new initiative I am launching and how you or your company could be part of it. Let's get started. Let's start with the networking series. This particular series has become one of my favorite playlists because networking is something every DevOps engineer uses every single day. We covered topics like what happens when you type google.com into your browser. We talked about DNS. We talked about TCP and UDP, connection refused errors. Instead of just explaining the theory, every video include practical labs so you can actually see what's happening behind the scenes. We have shell scripting series as well. Honestly, shell scripting is one of the most underrated skills in DevOps. No matter which cloud provider or CI CD platform you are using, you'll end up writing shell scripts. So instead of memorizing commands, we are learning how to automate real tasks that engineer performs every single day. Then we entered into one of the fastest growing areas, AI for DevOps engineers. But instead of using AI just to generate code, we are building practical tools that solve real engineering problems. Things like AI log investigator, incident triage, runbook assistant, and Terraform review. These are projects you can actually build, understand, and extend in your own environment. Another series which I'm really proud about is DevOps for Beginners to Advanced series. These videos aren't about passing interviews, they are about helping you avoid the kind of mistakes that lead to production incidents. We talked about rollback strategies, monitoring, capacity planning, documentation, incident response, and the engineering decisions that can make or break a production system. We also built complete DevSecOps projects, not just theory, real CI/CD pipelines, security scanning, infrastructure as code, GitHub actions, and production focused security practices. Another interesting series is DevOps for Home Lab. This is the first series which I built in the last 1 year. If you look here, 1 year ago I started this. It's a complete beginner friendly series. We can set up DevOps Home Lab for free just on your laptop. Followed by we built DevOps Home Lab monitoring series. This is also again from zero. How real companies, real projects apply monitoring observability in their projects after seeing the failures. So this is also one of my favorite series. It almost got me 20,000 views. My recommendation for you guys is to do hands on as much as possible. Every video has a GitHub repository, hands on practice labs that you can try it on your own. We also have Docker for DevOps Engineers playlist wherein you can practice everything step by step. We have 10 different episodes with full source code and a GitHub repository as well. Every Sunday we've been doing live sessions. Those have honestly become one of my favorite parts of this channel. We discuss DevOps, cloud, AI related stuff, forward deployed engineer, and I really enjoy interacting with all of you live. If you have noticed, I don't chase every new tool that comes out. I mainly focus on fundamentals because Docker will evolve, Kubernetes will evolve, AI will also evolve. But Linux, networking, architecture, security, troubleshooting, those skills stay valuable for decades. Now, let me tell you what exactly I'm planning for the next year. It is going to be heavily focused on Kubernetes and the cloud native ecosystem. Not just Kubernetes itself, the entire CNCF landscape. We are going to build production ready projects around technologies like Kubernetes, Argo CD, Helm, OpenTelemetry, Gateway API, external secrets, and many other CNCF projects. But here's the important part, we are not learning these tools individually. We are going to build complete platforms that show how everything works together, exactly the way companies build modern infrastructure. Every major project we build will be available on my GitHub repository. You can clone it, break it, fix it by yourself, and learn from it. I want this channel to become one of the best places to learn cloud native engineering by actually building things. One more important thing, creating this kind of content takes a lot of time. Researching, building the projects, testing, recording, editing, doing all kind of documentation, maintaining GitHub repositories. It's a significant investment. So, if you are a company building products in the Kubernetes, CNCF, cloud native, DevOps, platform engineering, AI infrastructure, or developer tooling space, and you are interested in sponsoring this educational series, I'd be happy to have a conversation with you. The goal is very simple, create even better educational content for the community while introducing engineers to tools they can genuinely use in production environments. You can reach out to me through the links in the description and we can discuss the details. Finally, I need your help. What's the one thing you always wanted to learn about Kubernetes but never found a good explanation? Leave a comment below. I'll be reading every single one. Thank you so much for supporting this channel over the last year. We learned a lot together, but I honestly believe we are just getting started. I'm really excited about what's coming next, and I hope you'll join me for the journey. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.